everyone, today I am outside this Gundam base. Let's check out this store. There isn't much people inside, and it also happens to be the most compact Gundam base in the world now. Come, let's go. So this shop is like what you want it, you have it kind of a shop. Yeah, a lot of Gundam here. So see the latest from the movie and the way even I believe the author or the maker of the Gundam show has written something here for them. And these are some of the newer Gundams as well. You can see here they have rows and rows of Gundam, a lot of display as well. Some of them are special edition. One thing famous for this shop are all the transparent plastic Gundam. And behind me here is actually the RX-78, which is the most famous Gundam. It comes with various range of grids. For example, the perfect grids here, we have a lot of details, and then coming down to the NC grids, and also like maybe the master grid in the middle. Very interesting. Wow, this is some of the most berserk Gundam with a lot of missiles flying all over. So it's called a funnel missile effect. Interesting. Right at the back is actually a place for people to fix their Gundam, but I believe nobody's in action today. The one tips for people who have no time to assemble or to paint Gundam, you can actually buy this kind of like pre-assembled and pre-painted one. Look at the details. Price is not too bad also. Okay, wow, we have this Netflix Gundam, $73. How about this Strike Gundam, $47, almost half the price. And these are all also so-called pre-assembled and pre-paint Gundams as well. Wow, check out this special limited edition Gundam. It says coming third quarter of 2026. It's a bluish color Freedom Gundam. This is the neon plastic one. Oh, awesome. All these are coming soon. And if you're a fan of Unicorn Gundam, this is the one for you. Paper black with clear neon green plastic. Okay, so all these behind me are the Gundam Base limited edition. So what's so special is that it actually is the clear color. This is Gundam Base Singapore edition, clear cover. Before it comes with clear plastic. Okay, they have something called the titanium base, which is also for the Gundam Base special. Look at this, it says titanium finish. So this is the box. How much does it cost? Okay, looking around. Alright, cost about $127. $127. And how does the Gundam look like? It looks exactly like this one. I think it's like metallic, a lot of details, titanium finish. So the pink one looks nice also. And these are all this is also the titanium finish, the one in the middle. Right, this is like the clear plastic type. Okay, I have come to the end of the Gundam Base Singapore video tour. So I hope you like my video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.